Hello, do you like watermelon? Of course, watermelon is very popular because it is one of the most preferred fruits in summer. Of course, there are many people who know that watermelon has many health benefits. Thanks to the vitamins and antioxidants it contains, it is a fruit that is frequently found in the recommendation list of doctors. What do you know about watermelon peel? Unfortunately, we don't know much about this. Watermelon peel is very beneficial for health like watermelon yen. We can start the video to know about this topic. Number 1. Thanks to the amino acids found in the watermelon peel, we can say that it is the right address for those who exercise or want to develop body and muscle. Because it takes more time than necessary to develop the body and muscles just by doing sports. The number of people who try to use different methods for this should not be underestimated. We can say that there are too many watermelon peels to completely eliminate this danger. If you play sports, make sure you have a bowl of watermelon peel fruit with you after your workout. Number 2. We can say that the watermelon peel is officially created for the health of the human body. With the natural fibers it contains, it both prevents loss of appetite and prevents overeating against nutritional irregularities in weight loss and weight gain. Number 3. Watermelon peel resists possible tension disorders by causing the excess wastes in the body to be expelled from the body. But above all, for those who suffer from blood pressure, consult your doctor before consuming watermelon peel. Please be careful for those with possible allergies. Number 4. As a result of the researches, it has been determined from different sources that the watermelon peel contains very strong antioxidants and is very good for urinary distress and stomach discomfort. Number 5. The most important feature of watermelon peel is that it is very good for cancer, prevents the growth of cancer cells and helps the immune system to alarm. Finally, serious data have been found in the prevention of diseases of the mouth, stomach, throat, pancreas and colon cancer. If you are wondering how to eat watermelon peel, you can cut it into cubes and make a salad. You can cook and eat. You can make jam and consume it. You can even grill it and enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and support the videos. I wish you to be healthier.